How to make the background mirror effect. Today's video is sponsored by Jesus Christ Superstar. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a mirror node. If you want, you can flip the mirror, but in this case I prefer not to. Bring a frame average node. Change the sample direction to both, and increase the frame to 5. Add a motion blur node. Change the motion type to better. Set the motion range to large, and increase the motion blur all the way. Add a merge node after. Bring your masked clip into the flow. I've used the magic mask to isolate my subject. This is available only in the studio version. So if you are in the free version, stop complaining. You can either pay for it, or go with the old school way and make it manually. Connect your masked clip to the merge as a foreground, and your effect is ready. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you are not getting any presents this year.